y'all, it's Whitney. I am here in the kitchen and I'm about to make some farm fresh dinner for me and Joseph. I've got farm raised beef, 1 pound, and I want to turn it into some meatloaf. Here we come. In my meatloaf, I just throw in whatever I'm feeling like. This is some jalapeno garlic. Ooh, oh boy. Lots of that. Some of this triple. I don't think anybody else does this that I know, but I throw in some Worcestershire sauce. Just a little. That's all it takes. I've always used Italian breadcrumbs. I think I'm gonna do some of this. We season stuff around here, y'all. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some red peppers in there. You think that's enough? I think we're ready to mix. Rings off when hands are in the meat sauce. Forgot something. 1 egg. This is a small, tiny egg, but that's all right, it's enough. Mix it on up. All right. Wash your hands, y'all. Now, y'all, this is where the magic happens. This is what makes it. About 1.5 cups of ketchup, 1/4 cup of mustard. Splash, 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 splash. I do 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Easy. Swish, swish, swish. You want to mix it up real good. And this looks like okay. So we've got our sauce, we got our meat. Y'all, I just put a little bit in there. Mix it up. Wash your hands, y'all. Hands are washed. We're gonna get that out of there. Then we're gonna take our sauce and we're gonna put it over it. But I always make enough for extra to put on after and the day after for leftovers. So we're gonna, whew, that was kind of a lot. Now, you people you non-seasoned, non-sauce lovers, this ain't for you. And that's okay. We still love you. But this, all right. Now I'm gonna bake it for 45 minutes on 375. These are for the ones who like a little kick, a little spice, a little sweet and spicy. This is for you. It's gonna get you the good, sweet and spicy Southern meatloaf.